This is the main door of this fort. So let's go.
So this is a, tell me.
Chor Darwaza.
Yeah.
After passing the Ratangad Fort, we were moving towards Nide. The view of the path was awesome, which can tantalize you. In this video, you are going to watch the remaining two gates of this fort, which are Konkan Darwaza and Trimbak Darwaza or main gate. On top of that, you will see some water reservoirs. So stay tuned till the end and definitely enjoy the scenic beauty. If you haven't seen our Ratangad Fort Trek Part 1 video, then please check the description box. At this moment, we are proceeding towards the Konkan Darwaza or Chor Darwaza.
ये जो है ना कल्याण दरवाजा और इसको चोर दरवाजा बोलते हैं, ठीक है। इस रूट का यूज सीक्रेटली अगर इस पे कोई अटैक हो गया तो जो यहाँ के राजा महाराजा रानियां हैं उनको सेफली किले से नीचे ले जाने के लिए ऐसे रूट्स फोर्ट्स पे बनाए जाते हैं। सीक्रेट रूट आपने बहुत सारे मूवीज में देखा होगा, गुफा अंदर रूट, खुफिया रास्ता। दिस इज कॉल्ड चोर दरवाजा। ऐसे छोटे दरवाजे होते थे जो नीचे से दिख ना पाए किसी को, जो दुश्मनों के आंख में ना पड़े कि यहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं। ये यहाँ से आपको ना ऐसे रूट नहीं मिलेगा, ऐसा लगना नहीं चाहिए यहाँ से आप उतर भी सकते हो, ऐसे रूट बनाए जाते थे ऐसे। तो ये किले ताकि आप सेफली एग्जिट कर सको, क्योंकि लड़ते समय मरना इज नॉट ऑल ऑप्शन। 3 दरवाजे मेरे पैक हो गए, मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। देयर इज ऑलवेज एवरी किंग ऑलवेज कीप देयर बैकअप कि एटलीस्ट देयर फैमिली मेन पर्सन एंड लेडीज कैन एग्जिस्ट फ्रॉम इन एंड वी कैन फाइट, ठीक है। वैसे वो राजस्थान वाला सीन नहीं होना चाहिए, वी हैव ओनली वन ऑप्शन जौहर, वी कैन एग्जिट। ऐसा मैं उनके बोल नहीं रहा हूँ, बट आई एम सेइंग कि वहाँ पे एक बार गिर गए तो गिर गए, यहाँ पे वी हैव एग्जिट। तो इसलिए ये चोर दरवाजा और कल्याण दरवाजा बोल सकते हो। चोर दरवाजे जो ऐसे बनाए जाते थे हर फोर्ट्स पे, ठीक है।
Now we are going to see the water reservoirs.
फोर्ट्स पे पानी स्टोर करने के लिए कुआं तो खोद नहीं सकते, बोरवेल होता नहीं था, बारिश का पानी नीचे बह जाता था। स्टोर देम, उसको ऐसे टाकी बनाए जाते थे खोद खोद के, ताकि पानी इसमें जमा हो, बारिश के दिन पे जमा हो, ताकि उसको गर्मी सर्दियों में यूज किया जा सके, किले लोगों रहने के लिए उनके लिए।
अच्छा।
इसलिए इतने टाके के निर्माण किए जाते हैं। गर्मियों में भी जब ट्रेक में आते हैं ना, यहाँ पे कहीं पानी नहीं मिलता, वी हैव ओनली वन पानी का सोर्स, वो ये, और इसके अंदर का स्वच्छ पानी मिलता है। ऐसे आपको बहुत रेयर फोर्ट्स पे मिलेंगे, मतलब टाकी जो पहाड़ों के अंदर है, ओपन टाकी नहीं।
Here we can see one valley that is called Sandan Valley.
At that instant, we were progressing towards Nide. To reach there, we had to climb a hill. However, you need to be extremely cautious while climbing up the Nide.
Go, Shantika. Till there.
There were so many big rocks in our path, and the hill was almost 70-degree inclined, so we had to crawl sometimes to climb there.
इधर पैर रख के इधर उठ सकते हैं, ठीक है।
Finally, we reached to the eye of the needle, which was an amazing experience for us because from here only you can see the 360-degree view. So let's see how we have seen this point from a meadowland in the beginning of our trek.
That is near.
The view from the top is entrancing. On top of that, the turbulent breeze blows through the eye of the needle, which will make you feel happy. So we stopped for a while and then resumed our trek from the other side of the Nide. Here you can see on our right hand side there was a heavenly valley, and on our Left hand side, there was the main entrance of this fort or Trimbak Darwaza. So we are proceeding towards our right hand side to explore the Trimbak Darwaza.
ये मेन डोर है फोर्ट का।
ये फोर्ट का मेन डोर, कोकन दरवाजा, ये कोकन दरवाजा बोल सकते हो आप। यहाँ से राजा महाराजा ये लोग ऊपर आते करते थे, ठीक है।
अच्छा।
ये मेन रूट है इसका, इस फोर्ट पे आने के लिए, जहाँ से ऑफिशियल्स ऊपर आते थे।
अच्छा।
इसलिए पूरा यहाँ से उतरने के लिए भी रूट है। अगर हम यहाँ से जाएंगे ना, इस पूरे माउंटेन को गोल घूम के दूसरे रूट से उतर भी सकते हैं, बट अभी वो रिस्की की वजह से हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे। आप लोग नीचे जाके वो देख सकते हो। लेकिन
So let's go.
Now we cannot see the view from here. It is completely foggy.
At that moment, we started our return journey. The trail which we had taken was very narrow and was covered with tall grasses on both sides. You can see that there was a steep valley on our left hand side. This route was taking us back towards Hanuman Darwaza. While crossing this trail, we saw a water reservoir as well. While coming back, you can see a cabin on the left hand side of Hanuman Darwaza. If you decide to stay in the fort, you can take shelter here. This cave can accommodate 30 to 40 individuals. The local villagers provide meals over the weekend near the entrance of the cave.
What is this?
This is a cave. This is the hall room and this is the bedroom.
Kind of.
This is the hall room and this is the bedroom.
Now you are going to see a beautiful temple inside the cave.
This is the temple of Ratna Devi and Ganesh जी और यहाँ पे शिवलिंग भी है.
Now we are all set to go back by taking the same path. As you can see, moving downwards through staircases was also not very easy for us as it was too slippery and steep. Now we can see the Ganesh Darwaza from here, which we are going to pass.
अच्छा।
For this kind of staircases, try to hold only one railing with your both the hands, which can be helpful for you. While coming back, we were too tired and we were unable to walk through those big stones inside this forest.
So as we have started from here to that position, and again we came back to the same place. Okay, this is our resting point. Even though we are standing,
We have to go back. We came the wrong way.
Actually, our trek guides got confused. That's the reason we went there. Then our local guide rescued us and guided us to the correct way. So it was very pathetic moment. The stones are full of moss inside the stream, so be careful while crossing any stream.
Finally, we got chance to sit somewhere because we were the last one.
During this sunny weather, we became too thirsty. Moreover, our water bottles were also empty, so we went here to quench our thirst. This was the last rock patch in our path. The whole trek took near about 8 hours to complete. We reached the Ratanwadi village at 2:30 pm and then went to explore the Amruteshwar temple. In the part 3 video of this trek, you will be able to know lots of information about this temple. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give a like, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications.